Hey guys, Dean here, just giving you a quick update on what's happening here inside the engine room for the month of December. Of course, it's a shorter month with Christmas coming up and some early closures for Workshop Whisperer and perhaps even your business itself. But here's what we've got coming up on Wednesday, the 7th of December. We've got the 60-day game plan review. Obviously, you put your game plan together at the last retreat there in October. Then we are 60 days into this planning cycle. So it's an opportunity for you to come on, jump on the webinar and review your progress, reset your intentions moving forward. On Thursday, the 8th of December at 11 o'clock, we've got the Workshop Warriors Mastermind. For those of you in here, our Warriors, your Mastermind will be running on Thursday the 8th. Concurrently on Thursday the 8th, we've also got the Profit First Progress Report, which is going to be hosted by David Newman from Frontier Accounting on that particular day. And then on Wednesday, the 14th of December, I'll be taking the Wednesday webinar there, which is the year in review, finishing 2022 on a high. So just to recap, on the 7th of December, we've got the 60-day game plan review. On Thursday, the 8th of December, we've got the Workshop Warriors Mastermind running concurrently with the Profit First Progress Report. Of course, you'll know which one of those webinars to go to. And on Wednesday, the 14th, finishing off with the year in review, finishing 2022 on a high. So mark those dates and times in your calendars so you can join us for there. And we look forward to hanging out with you in December. Bye-bye.